SFC chebekoze baba nkoko bana byabakama is quiet.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. People power. People power. Power, power. Kwere Padano. Kwere wa. Kwere Padano. Kwere wa. People power. Power, power. People power. Let me even take off my glasses. My brothers and sisters gathered here today, I am going to use very few minutes, so I request you to listen to me. For those that don't know me, my name is Chagulanyi Sentamu Robert Bubbi. Make sure that man is there and it can go through this machine. My brothers and sisters, I know you have been following what has been happening the whole of today. I am standing before you as a president. And I'm running to be the president of Uganda. The Electoral Commission, headed by Mr. Byabakama, knows that I'm supposed to campaign in GULU City. And even the Uganda police, headed by Mr. Byakagaba, knows that I'm supposed to be campaigning in GULU City. But you have been seeing what they have been doing to me and only me. Yesterday I was supposed to campaign in Elegu. But the Uganda police and the UPDF, they blocked the road and I was not able to campaign. When I went to Noya, they brought guns and the soldiers dressed in yellow t-shirts to beat me up. I want you to pay attention. The people that came wearing yellow t-shirts, some of them are soldiers, others are police officers, and others are thugs that they picked from some ghettos. These people were guarded by police and UPDF and Uganda prison. There were more than 400 police officers in Roya yesterday. But they were watching and guarding the people that attacked me and my team. These are the same people that attacked us on our way to Elegu. You all are aware, especially those of you who live in GULU here. You know where our NUP office is. The military came and blocked both sides of the road. And they dismantled everything in our office. Now today, all all of you have been watching. They blocked the road. They tried to delay me. Make sure I reach here after 6. So that I failed to talk to you. Now all these things they are being done by an old man. Everything you see is being done by a man who has been in power for 40 years. A man who is over 80 years old. But he has no shame. In the morning, we had a stage here. But now we are standing on the speakers. Because earlier today, thugs came here, protected by the military, and they beat everyone. They destroyed this sound. They destroyed the stage. They broke all the glasses on this car. And they were being protected by the military. Now, I want you to understand this. The Uganda police, they say they are creating security. They say they are creating stability. In GULU today, we have more than 1,000 police officers. We have more than 500 UPDF soldiers. But their only job, their assignment today, is not to give security to the people, but to make sure that Bobi Wine does not campaign in GULU. I want to tell you, police officers, I want to tell you, UPDF officers, you cannot force people to love your boss. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. Attention to my message today. Because what I am saying, Museveni brought more than 1,500 soldiers and police officers. Make sure I don't talk to you. When you are coming here, this is what they did to my brother Oyerot. This is what they did to Dan Magic. They beat everyone. But the same soldiers, the same police officers, who know that I am supposed to be campaigning here by law, came here to protect the thugs that were beating up our people. They came here to block the road so that I don't use the public roads. They came here to make sure the people of GULU don't open their eyes. I have a message for all of them. And I have a message for Museveni. You are too late. You cannot stop an idea whose time has come. Stop the people of Uganda. Now let me tell you this, my brothers and sisters. It has been 40 years. Museveni took over our country 40 years ago. Many of you do not know what happened. But I want to tell you, like I was telling the Acholi people where I came from, After you leave here, I want you to use your phone. I want you to go to YouTube and brilliant genocide. It will help you to understand what Museveni is saying, that they are Choli people. And right now, Museveni is saying that he's protecting his game. I want to ask you, the people of GULU, do you have any game to protect? Let me also say this. Let me say this to the people of GULU. Museveni sent his brother Salim Saleh to GULU to colonize you, to colonize all of you. And he says they are protecting their game. Why not Walter Ochola? Why not? Listen to me. Why not Walter Ochola? Why not Julius Oketa? Why not Paulo Ketch? Why not Jacob Olanya? I want to ask you, the young people of Acholi, do you know how all those people died? Do you know how Julius Oketa died? Do you know how Walter Ochola died? Do you know how Jacob Olanya died? How Paulo Ketch died? This is the same question that I asked the people of Uganda, where I come from. Because we don't know how Kasile Gwanga died. We don't know how Sheikh Muzata died. We don't know how our people died. Now I want to tell you, the people of Acholi, and nobody is going to tell you this. You will not hear this on TV. That is why they bring the military to stop me from talking to you. And the person who commanded the people that beat our people is called Ahimbisiwe Fred. If you look carefully, if you see what I see, then you will understand that all DPCs and all RPCs here in Acholi, Karamoja, in Elango, in Buganda, all of them come from the same area. And even all Manilanders, don't run away. Don't run away. Don't let them scare you. You have not committed any crime. You have not committed any crime. They will do that. They will intimidate you. But one day Uganda will be free. One day Uganda will be free. One day Uganda will be free. I say we are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom. So I want you to listen, my brother, my sister. What is happening today? What you saw happening in GULU today, that is enough to show you everything you need to know. That is enough to show you everything you need to know. I want you to pay attention to this message. And if you have a phone, I want you to record this message. And I will tell you this, that we are all slaves on our own land. They made us slaves on our own land. Whether you are in Acholi, whether you are in Buganda, whether you are in Busoga, whether in Karamoja, everywhere in the country, they turned us into slaves on our own land. And I want to tell you this, during the days of slavery, there were two types of slaves. There were two types of slaves. They were the house slaves and the plantation slaves. I said they were the house slaves. The white man made the house slave think that they are also white. So Museveni made the actually slave think that they are also like Museveni. Museveni made the Baganda slave think that they are also like Museveni. What you see happening in Acholi today is the same thing that's happening everywhere. Museveni did that by dividing us, by making us hate each other. He bases that on tribe. What you see today, for Museveni to make you believe that you are not supposed to love Bobi Wine because it's a Muganda. He is also using my fellow Baganda to fight me. And you have seen that. Just like he's going to use your fellow Acholi to turn you into slaves. So today this is not a presidential campaign. And I'm not campaigning right now. I am asking you to open your eyes. I am asking you to open your mouth and to understand that the reason why they don't want me to talk to you is because when we meet and when we talk, we shall know that we are one person. We shall know that we have the same problem. And when we unite, it will be game over for Museveni and his people. I want you to think about the land that has been stolen from you. I want you to think about the people that they are putting on your land by force. I want you to think about the freedom that they are taking from you. Why is it a crime for you to attend a political rally? Mr. Yabakama is not going to talk about this. And Akagawa is also not going to talk about this. But I want to tell you, my brother, my sister, the hope you have is in yourself. You are your own hope. We are on our own as the people of Uganda. But what makes me happy is that we have all opened our eyes. Now the next thing we have to do, is to unite. Whether you are from Acholi, or you're from Ankole, whether you're from Busoga, everywhere, we must come together. Because this is a family rule. This is one man and his family. He made himself president. He made his son head of the army. He made his wife minister for education. His brother Salim Saleh is behaving like the king of Acholi. And he's not even an Acholi. They don't want the truth. That is why they use our young people. They use the desperate ghetto people. They buy them waraji and buy them and give them yellow t-shirts and give them 20,000 or 50,000, and they use them against their people. To you, the police officers, especially you, the sons and daughters of Acholi, you are not a colonial army. You are not a colonial police. You are supposed to be the police of the Republic of Uganda. To you, the police officers, especially especially you, the sons and daughters of Acholi. I am sure none of you has 50,000 in their pocket. I am very sure that none of you can take your child to a good secondary school. I am very sure that you only put on the good uniform when you're coming to the field. But in the barracks, you put on torn uniform because they don't care for you. Look at the condition of your barracks. Look at the condition of your wife. We are not fighting you, we are fighting for you. I want you to listen to me. This message, I want you to keep quiet so that this message goes to the police officers, military officers. This is 2025. In the 17 and 1800s, the colonialists were using our own brothers to chase us and take us into slave trade. But today, you are being used to protect the loot that Museveni has stolen from your people. They are using you to protect the land that they've stolen from your father and your mother. They are using you. They are using you to protect what they've stolen from your people. So to you, the sons and daughters of Acholi, for those of you that have the bravery to be here today, now I believe that you are the true descendants of Jipir and Laban. Today, I want to give a very big salute for the people of Acholi. Thank you for being fearless. Thank you for being fearless. I also saw this in Arua. I saw this in Luero. But today is different. They have brought soldiers. They have beaten people. This is what they did to my brother Danny Magic. But I'm also proud that Danny Magic is actually one is a solid man. I want to say this to you. We the people of Uganda, especially you the young people of Uganda, we have an opportunity. We have an opportunity to change this once and for all. Museveni can beat you. He can deploy the army everywhere. He can stop Ogenga PM aka Chagulanyi from coming to see you. But he cannot stop the time. He cannot stop the time. On the 15th of January. On the 15th of January. On the 15th of January. I want to ask all of you to make a statement. On the 15th of January, we can change this country. I want you to know, and listen to this very carefully. Even if the police have beaten us, even if the soldiers have beaten us, I am begging you, my brothers and sisters, do not hate them. Do not look at them with hate. Those are prisoners. And I'm going to explain this. I am going to explain this. Listen to this, my brother, my sister. All of us here, we have our relatives in the military. We have our relatives in the police. These are Ugandans. They are not different from the doctors. They are not different from the teachers. They also suffer. They also want a better Uganda. Look at the salary that they get. And I also want them to know, you are not Museveni's army. Museveni's army died a long time ago. Museveni's army died long time ago. You are young Ugandans. Many of you are under the age of 40. You deserve a better future. Think about a new Uganda, where you have different pairs of uniform. Think about a new Uganda, where you have a better salary. Think about a new Uganda, where your wife can have good health care. Haitupigani na nyinyi, tunawapigania. Tunataka watoto wako wapate wasome vizuri, wasome kama sisi. Tunataka wademu wako wapate matibabu njema. But I'll tell you, my brother, my sister, you are the only ones that are being used to deny you what you deserve. But you cannot stop the people of Uganda. Finally, to you the people of Uganda, to you the people of GULU, to you the people of Acholi, let me give you one last message of hope. We are 49 million Ugandans. And many of us, we are not counted. But the whole of Uganda has less than 50,000 police officers. These ones you see following me, they are the ones following me everywhere. Don't let them scare you. We shall free ourselves. Another thing, and this is very important. This is very important. Museveni has used the tribalism to divide us for 40 years. But now you know that no tribe is safe. As for me, the man that is following me everywhere and torturing me everywhere, he's a Muganda like me. And you know his name. So I want that to teach you. I want that to teach you that this is not a fight of any tribe. This is not a tribe of a fight of any religion. This is a fight for all Ugandans. In a new Uganda, all of us are going to be equal. In a new Uganda, all of us are going to be equal. And I also want to stand here in GULU and tell you, the people of Acholi, that there's no privileged tribe. Even our brothers and sisters in Ankole are suffering. I am telling you this because I know my wife is from Ankole. And you followed on live stream when we were traveling in Ankole. They have bad roads. They have bad hospitals. They have bad schools. Their young people don't have jobs. The same thing like here in Acholi. The same thing in Karamoja. The only people that are protecting their gains is a small group around Museveni. And in this small group, In this small group, there are different tribes. This small group of Museveni, it has Baganda like me. It has actually people like you. You know, back in the day, a man called Nobert Mao used to say the truth. But now Museveni is using him like a colonial agent. So I want to tell you, my brother, my sister, don't hate anybody from any tribe. Just hate what is wrong. Hate what is wrong. The reason why we hold this national flag, because this national flag, it belongs to everybody. This flag is actually, this flag is Langin, this flag is Muganda, this flag is Munyankole, this flag is Karamajo, this flag is from West Nile. It is for everybody. I want us to unite behind this flag. This cause is not only for Bobi Wine. It is for everybody. It is for everybody. So I want you on the 15th of January, come out and vote. Today I am not going to ask for your vote. Yes, I am running for president. And my comrades are running for MP. And our symbol is the umbrella. But today I'm not asking for a vote. Today I just want to ask you to go out and vote. Vote for what you believe in. Even if you don't vote for me, vote for what you believe in. Vote for Uganda. Vote for freedom. Vote for justice. Vote for unity. Vote for a new Uganda. We can do this. We can change our country. I don't know what is waiting for me. I am campaigning while putting on a bulletproof. But I know these murderers. They have killed generals. I am not even a corporal. So the only thing I have to use is the truth and the Almighty Obama. So as I conclude, I want to ask you here to understand the problem that Uganda is facing. I want you to know that all of us are responsible. A few years ago, we were babies. This duty was for our fathers and mothers. But many of them are old. And some are dead. I want to ask you to take this responsibility. Go out there. Become the Bobi Wine of your village. Become the Bobi Wine of your house. I don't know how long I'm going to be with you. I don't know how many times I'm going to see you. But I want you to know that if you open your eyes, we can change our country. Our fathers did not do it for us. We must do it for our children. Thank you very much.
People power. Our power. People power. Our power. Puerto Padano. Puerto what?
What can he do? What can I
Okay. Before you leave here, I know we have journalists here, and I know I want the cameras to show there that the police and the military, they have organized goons to terrorize people. I don't want to live here before our town people can arrange themselves. I don't want to live here before making sure that our people are safe.